Hi my beautiful people, welcome to Tarot Astro by Pooja Lekha. I am your tarot reader. As you have seen, I have selected 4 piles. This is number 1, this is number 2, number 3 and number 4. These 4 sets are for the guidance for this month. And what you have to do, you have to close your eyes, take a deep breath and feel the energies of the card. Choose the card where you feel the most resonated or where your intuition gets stuck. Okay, maybe your intuition says number 2, then it may possible that the number 2 card is the guidance which the universe want to convey you right now. Okay, hope you have selected. Okay, let me tell you the numbers once again. This is number 1, this is number 2, number 3 and number 4. If you need some more time, pause the video and select the number. So let's start with the pile number 1. Guidance for the pile number 1. This is Judgment and the Heart Guardian. This is from Angel and Ancestor Oracle deck. And Judgment, you can see the 3 people are coming out of the grave and it's like the wake up call. Okay, it's like the wake up call, like when you hear the alarm and you just wake up and what you see first, morning, bright sun, right? So Judgment is same like that. It's the wake up call, but it is like the God is giving us the second chance, and people are coming out of the grave. It means ki something huge lessons you have learned in your past, and definitely God is saying ki apply those lessons. What type of lesson? Maybe you have learned let go of your expectations. Maybe you have learned attachment. You have to be relinquished. You need not to you have not to be attached with these material things so much. Obviously that will give pain somewhere, and this is the time for enlightenment. Indulge yourself in some spiritual activity and enlighten your soul, enlighten your mind. That will definitely help you to grow further. And so this is the wake up call and right time to start with your spiritual activities. It will help you to grow with your mind, with your soul. And your this oracle deck also says the Heart Guardian, love and let yourself be loved. Love yourself, what you have, who you are, what you have done in the past. You need to be loved. You love yourself, so the other people will also love you. Open your heart chakra. When you start loving yourself, when you start accepting yourself, people will start accept you, who you are. And definitely you know the consequences of karma. You know the path of spirituality. Once you have taken this path, where it will take you, it will definitely take you up and up at your soul level. Okay, so 2 major lessons: let go of your attachments, let go of your expectations. Don't expect anything. Just put your expectation to God feet. Only He is the one who can fulfill all your desires, all your expectations. So let's go to pile number 2. Let's see. Wow, 4 of Wands. Mother Earth, feel loved and comforted. Stability, harmony, peace. You will feel this coming month. This month is full of happiness, harmony. Maybe you will get some good news related to your job, because these are the wands. It brings stability, obviously, or maybe related to your maybe some good news related to house, related to some ceremony. Maybe you will get some news related to your loved ones. And Mother Earth says feel loved and comforted. You feel very good in this month. You feel happy, you feel prosperous, harmonious. Some good news are there. So it's the happy time for you, pile number 2. For pile number 3, let's see what's there for you. 6 of Cups. Knight, be brave and ask. Okay, this month maybe you will feel like nostalgic. You are missing your past old days where you are free to go anywhere. You are roaming, you are enjoying, you are partying, you are meeting with your friends, meeting with your loved ones. Maybe you are missing someone very deeply, and I must say, start some spiritual reads, start with some meditations, so you can overcome this nostalgic period. Cannot help. And your this card also says, Knight, be brave and honest. Be brave to face the challenges coming right now, and start with some spirituality. That spiritual part will embark your soul, embark your mind, everything. And sooner or later maybe you will meet with your loved ones, but not now, as this period is little crucial. But you are missing your days, no doubt you are missing your days. Pile number 3. For pile number 4, let's see, Tower and Mountains. Something very unexpected will happen that will shake your identity. Maybe from your job will be shaky at this point. Maybe your maybe you get some news from your friends, from your loved ones, or maybe at your home. But this is the time which where you need to be stay grounded. This is something very karmic, something very unexpected will happen, but you have to stay grounded. You have to take control of over your emotions, and start meditating. This will definitely help to overcome this period. This period is very calming. This is inevitable, but it will bring lots of peace. Lots of new things will emerge out of this. When this period will pass, you will see a lot of new things are coming in your way, and peace will come, healings will come, but you need to stay grounded. You have to take control over your emotions, right? Thank you. This is for all about pile number 4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Please press the subscribe button.